Welcome to Do You Know, the channel where we uncover fascinating stories behind the world's biggest innovations. Today, we're diving into the history of Apple computers, a journey filled with groundbreaking inventions, visionary founders, and challenges that shaped the tech world as we know it. It all started in 1976 in a humble garage in Los Altos, California. Three men, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, founded Apple Computers with a dream to revolutionize personal computing. While Wayne soon left the company, Jobs and Wozniak's collaboration would leave an indelible mark on technology. Apple's first product, the Apple I, was introduced in July 1976. Designed and hand-built by Wozniak, it was a bare circuit board sold for $660.66. While it wasn't a complete computer system, it laid the foundation for what was to come. The real game changer came in 1977 with the Apple II. Unlike its predecessor, the Apple II was a fully assembled personal computer with a case, keyboard, and color graphics. It became one of the first highly successful mass-produced microcomputers, cementing Apple's place in tech history. But success didn't come without challenges. By the early 1980s, Apple faced growing competition from IBM and other companies entering the personal computer market. To stay ahead, Apple bet big on innovation. In 1984, Apple launched the Macintosh, introduced by the famous 1984 Super Bowl ad directed by Ridley Scott. The Macintosh was the first computer to popularize the graphical user interface, or GUI, and the use of a mouse. It was revolutionary, but sales struggled initially due to its high price and limited software support. The mid-1980s brought internal tensions. In 1985, Steve Jobs resigned after a power struggle with Apple's board and then CEO John Sculley. For over a decade, Apple faced a rocky road, with mixed success from products like the Newton, a pioneering but flawed handheld device. In 1997, Apple was on the brink of bankruptcy. That's when Steve Jobs returned, bringing a fresh vision and a focus on simplicity and innovation. One of his first moves, partnering with rival Microsoft, which invested $150 million to stabilize Apple. Then came the iMac in 1998. Designed by Jony Ive, the iMac was sleek, colorful, and easy to use. It marked the beginning of a new era for Apple, combining function with style. The 2000s were transformative. In 2001, Apple launched the iPod, changing how we listen to music. A few years later, in 2007, Apple dropped the word computers from its name and introduced the iPhone, revolutionizing not just computing, but communication and entertainment. The iPhone has seen numerous iterations since its debut, from the original iPhone to the latest iPhone 16. Each version has brought new features, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology, solidifying Apple's dominance in the smartphone market. In 2010, Apple introduced the iPad, a device that bridged the gap between smartphones and laptops. The iPad has evolved through many versions, including the iPad Mini, iPad Air, and iPad Pro, each catering to different user needs and preferences. Despite its success, Apple has faced its share of challenges: antitrust concerns, controversies over labor practices, and pressure to keep innovating in an ever-changing tech landscape. In 2015, Apple introduced the Apple Watch, a device that redefined the smartwatch category. With features like fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and seamless integration with iPhones, the Apple Watch has become an essential accessory for millions. It has evolved through various models, each adding new health features and improved performance, making it a leader in wearable technology. In 2016, Apple entered the headset market with the launch of AirPods. These wireless earbuds quickly became a cultural phenomenon, praised for their seamless integration with Apple devices and impressive sound quality. Over the years, Apple has expanded its headset lineup with products like the AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, and the latest AirPods 4, each iteration bringing new features and improvements. From the Apple One to the iPhone, iPad, AirPods, and Apple Watch, Apple's story is one of bold ideas, resilience, and the pursuit of excellence. So, what's your favorite Apple product or innovation? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating stories.